Alright, I'm at IKEA Westgate and I'm trying out this new hot dog to me, the Japanese curry pickled hot dog. It's a combo. I don't know what this drink is. I like how they use a paper straw here. That is extremely sweet, whatever that is. Some sort of fruit juice. It's not long gone. Maybe it is. No, this looks like long gone. Well, it's very sweet. I can't really make out the juice. I think it's actually just tea with lime in there and long gone. Anyways, it's all about this thing. Really soft bun. Maybe some grilled garlic or shallots. Looks like purple sauerkraut. That's cabbage. It is sour. I would call that sauerkraut, yes. Okay. It's a pretty cheap hot dog, of course. It's a cheap item. There's the sauce I'm trying to get to. There's so much flavor here. I get no taste of curry in this whatsoever. I almost think that's a cheese sauce and not a curry sauce. Yeah. I don't really taste that sauce anyways. It's mostly the sauerkraut and the hot dog that I'm tasting. Overall, it does taste good though. I gotta say that. This is a pretty good deal here. Okay. Well, I like the hot dog. It's pretty good. I don't think I needed to get this though. I think I'd rather just get a fountain drink. So you might want to, next time I'm going to just order the hot dog separately. Worth a try though if you like sauerkraut.